So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Morpen laboratory share. So we know that previously when we have discussed about Marksans Pharma, so in that particular video, many people have requested to make a separate video analysis on Morpen Laboratories. So today we'll discuss all the updates, especially related to the fundraising details, and also we'll do the technical analysis to find out the next possible levels. So previously when we have discussed about Morpen Labs, we have discussed almost around 5 months back near the 29 rupees level. So that time we have done the complete fundamental analysis and also we have discussed the quarter results. Almost 9 months back also we have discussed. So on regular basis, especially during the COVID time, we have discussed that time pharma sector was looking very good and it was in a very bullish phase. But few months back, if we go, that time complete consolidation was seen. But now recently again the pharma sector has come into focus because of the rise in COVID cases. So we'll discuss all the technicals, so don't worry. So currently it is trading near the 50 rupees level. So now let's see what are the updates and then we'll switch out to the technical charts. Okay, so coming to the update on Morpen Labs, so you can see on 24th April, you can see that is today itself. So the company has released an update regarding the fundraising and also it has given a particular date called for board meeting. So you can see here almost April 28, 2021 is considered as the board meeting. So where it will discuss about the fundraising. So this particular update was released today itself. So that's why many people had queries. So what would be the next target and all. So when we go to technical charts, you'll see that consistently it was moving in a very decent manner. So previously, if you go 2 months, 3 months back, that time it was trading in a complete range. So it is going up, it is coming down, again it is going up, again it was coming down. So particular direction was not seen. But if you go 2 days back, so that time all the pharma stocks, whether it may be Marksans or Morpen Labs, all these two stocks have given 20% movement consequently, and also 10% movement was also seen. So little operator activities were also present in all the pharma stocks, especially small cap pharma stocks. So now we'll discuss how the deliveries have been taken and then we'll switch out to the charts. Okay, so we're back onto the delivery section. So you can see the last 3 trading sessions, you can see clearly the stock has jumped almost, you can say 40%. You can see 17% on April 20 and you can see April 22nd also 19.9. So total we can take roughly 40% movement was already covered by the stock. So you can assume how much operator activity was present. On April 23rd, you can see only 28.9% deliveries have been taken and you can see stock has corrected almost 3.9% because it is obvious. So any stock jumping 19.9% single day and next day also continuing, so something special should be present. So that time only we can expect that particular movement. So we know quarter results also will be little positive. So everything, especially for pharma sector, is looking good. So that's why they have given that particular movement with the operator activity also. So we are seeing a little traded quantities increasing. Can you see here a huge traded quantities increasing, but you're not able to see a constant delivery increase. So that should be increased. So that time only you need to enter with a good decent quantity. So now don't enter with any heavy quantities because it is already given a huge rally in the last 3 to 4 sessions. So now let it settle for a while, let the traded quantity reduce and let the deliveries increase on a regular basis. So that time you can enter with pretty good quantity. So what is the level and where to enter? So now we'll discuss that. Okay, so we're back onto the technical charts of Morpen Labs. So you can see on Friday it has corrected almost 3.94% and it has closed near the 50 rupees level. So you can see the way it has given in 1 week time frame. So just from 35-36 rupees level, it has even touched the 55 rupees mark. So you can assume even if you're doing any sort of positional trade or intraday trade, so you would be getting some very good profit. So I told previously also the relation between 3 pharma stocks. One is Nectar Life, one is Morpen Laboratories, another one is Marksans. So when they move, all the 3 stocks move in a similar manner. All the operators, whoever they are operating, so they operate in a similar manner and all the stocks give the same 20 to 19% movement easily. They will give that. So if you are missing in one stock, try to grab the opportunity in other stock for short term trading. This is only for short term trading, not for long term. So long term you need to do the complete fundamental analysis. So they're also good, they're decent, but for short term trading you need to observe the operator activity and enter with decent quantity and exit with good profit. So that would be a very good strategy. So if you see on day to day wise also, that is in weekly time frame, you can see little bit of whenever it gives uptrend, again it comes down, again uptrend, again comes down. So fixed direction was not seen. Okay, it was trying to go up, but again the operators, the little quantity they were selling, and again it was taking the support, and again it was going up. Okay, so technicals wise, already I told you about moving averages. You can see a very good crossover is seen, especially the 50-day exponential moving average. That is green color one is 50-day and red color one is the 200-day exponential moving average. And clearly you can see the small moving average is crossing a larger moving average, and that is a bullish indication. So all these things I've explained in previous videos also. So note these important points in a small notebook. Whenever you'll find these type of crossovers, you can take a very quick trade, and even you can do any sort of swing trade, and you can earn very good profit in a short span of time. So now going to money flow index, you can see that is near 87. So whenever it goes to any overbought region, you can see earlier it has gone here. Can you see same thing happened here also? So whenever it is going to that particular overbought region, a little correction happens, and again it corrects for certain period of time, and again it takes the support. So what is the best entry if you're trying to invest in Morpen Labs? I can say 45 to 40. Okay, so this could be the best entry that you can give if you want to do any short-term trading, or if you want to invest for a certain longer period of time. So wait for that particular level. So support wise 50 is going to be very important. So if it breaks that 50 level, then you can add near the 45 and 40 rupees level. Okay, so next moving towards the 1 day chart. In 1 day chart, you can see it was very well obeying the 50-day exponential moving average. So whenever it was trying to approach that particular level, again it was retracing very well. And you can see the last 2 days candles also, it has given a huge rally, and it has corrected from the 55 region. So as discussed, 45 level is going to be very important. So make sure you watch the stock between the 40 and 45 rupees level, and if you're interested, only enter with decent quantity. So the quarter results also will be basically they'll be positive only, nothing major negative will be there. So on that note only, operators are also increasing the stock price. So don't invest in heavy quantities, because even if correction happens, you should not get any heavy loss. So small quantities, try to average near the 45 and 40 for people who are already holding. Okay, in daily basis, if you see money flow index already entered the overbought region. If it continues for certain while in that particular region, so definitely it will correct in next sessions also, it is obvious. So if you are interested, only enter near that particular levels. So don't forcibly invest. So other stocks also we have discussed. So very strong fundamental stocks we have discussed, so try to invest in them. Okay, so now we know cases are also increasing outside. So if any sort of correction happens, try to buy in small portions, catch the each and every dip. Okay, so further if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.